Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Jessie Fabiola Tanawa, you can call me Jessie. In this video, I will tell you how to make mashed potato. Mashed potato are delicious, healthy, simple, and low-calorie food. You can eat mashed potato with chicken, meatballs, egg, sausage, steak, or french fries. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching.